My name is Kevin Osiemo, and I'm going to talk about some of the major technologies that are making way as part of the third industrial revolution, which involves the automation of the industries. And one of these major technologies is robotics, and which I'm going to talk about. Robotics can be used in the manufacturing industry and also in the surgical medical field. In this instance, I'm going to discuss about it being used in the manufacturing industries. With the competitiveness of the industry, a lot of manufacturing industries are trying to cut down their costs. And one of the ways of cutting down the cost is making sure there is reliability in what they're producing, cut down on the non-conformance and cost of defects, and also cost of production. The benefits of using robotics, some of them are, I'm going to discuss just a few. Robotics are necessary to achieve high precision and high level precision in the industrial manufacturing and parts that require high tolerances. As you can see, I'm gonna give you a quick example of what it is. One of those industries, as you can see, I'm not sure if the picture is coming out clear, but that's one of it. So the benefits are, one of those is high precision. Secondly, it's able to produce more complex and high volume parts with minimal defects and low operational cost. The third is the use of smart intelligence has ensured that human factors are minimized and efficiency and reliability of the production can be relied on more than uncertainty provided by humans. Third, the cost of production will be lowered as a result of elimination or reduction of costs associated with the human labor, including overtime, no-show, and fatigue. Lastly, why would companies be interested in this? Before I talk about that, let's talk about the disadvantages that may be results of using robotics. It's very expensive, including purchasing and installation of robotics, and may be challenging when it requires reprogramming. And it also requires training for technicians to operate and maintain. And this can also cause companies to cut manpower. And that can be a disadvantage because people will lose their jobs. So why should companies be interested in this? The overall goal of companies is to achieve make profit. And if a company can make profit, then it cannot be in a competitive market. That means they will shut down. For this to cut costs, they will need to cut on the cost of quality and the cost of production. Robotics is one of the major solutions. It might be expensive to install, but the overall end results is to achieve that. In the long run, you'll have more benefits than disadvantages. So the accuracy produced by robotics is a major component. If you achieve accuracy, if you are able to produce more parts without having to pay extra overtime on labor or human inefficiency, then robotics is the best way to go. Just so at the end of the day, you are able to produce parts that are less costly, and then that means the company is able to stay in the competitive market and be able to flourish. With that, I'll close out my presentation. Thank you very much.